Want to go viral on YouTube? It's not just about luck, it's about understanding the YouTube algorithm. Think of it like a secret code that unlocks success. This algorithm decides which videos get seen and which ones get lost in the sea of content. By understanding how it works, you can tailor your content to get more views, subscribers, and ultimately, success. First things first, the algorithm loves engagement. That means comments, likes, shares, and watch time. When viewers interact with your videos, it tells YouTube that your content is valuable and worth promoting. The more engagement you get, the more likely your video is to be recommended to others. Another crucial factor is watch time. YouTube wants viewers to stay on their platform for as long as possible. So videos with longer watch times are favored. Aim to create videos that captivate your audience and keep them glued to their screens. Remember, every second counts. Finally, click-through rate, CTR, plays a significant role. Your video's thumbnail and title are the first things viewers see. A compelling thumbnail and an intriguing title can make all the difference in attracting clicks. Think of it as your first impression. Make it count.
Engagement is the name of the game on YouTube. It's not enough to just create great content. You need to keep your viewers engaged from start to finish. But how do you do that? Let's dive into some proven strategies. First and foremost, ask questions. Encourage your viewers to share their thoughts, opinions, and experiences in the comments section. Respond to their comments and foster a sense of community. When viewers feel heard, they're more likely to stick around. Next, incorporate interactive elements into your videos. Use polls, quizzes, and challenges to keep your audience entertained and involved. For example, you could ask viewers to guess the answer to a question and reveal it later in the video. Don't forget about the power of storytelling. People love a good story, so weave captivating narratives into your content. Whether it's a personal anecdote, a fictional tale, or a documentary-style video, a compelling story can keep viewers hooked. Finally, end your videos with a call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share your video with their friends. By explicitly asking for engagement, you're more likely to receive it.
Watch time is the holy grail of YouTube success. The longer viewers watch your videos, the more the algorithm rewards you. So, how do you maximize watch time and keep those viewers glued to their screens? Start by creating high-quality content that's relevant to your target audience. If your videos are boring or irrelevant, viewers will click away faster than you can say, subscribe. Research your niche, identify your audience's interests, and deliver content that keeps them coming back for more. Structure your videos strategically to maintain viewer interest. Start with a strong hook that grabs attention within the first few seconds. Divide your video into logical segments with clear transitions. Keep your content concise and to the point, avoiding unnecessary fluff. Use visuals to your advantage. Incorporate eye-catching footage, animations, and graphics to make your videos more visually appealing. A visually stimulating video is more likely to hold viewers' attention than a static, talking head. Finally, consider the length of your videos. While longer videos have the potential for higher watch time, it's important to find the sweet spot for your audience. Experiment with different video lengths and analyze your analytics to see what resonates best with your viewers.
Your video's thumbnail and title are the first things viewers see, so it's crucial to make them count. A compelling thumbnail and an intriguing title can significantly impact your video's click-through rate, CTR. When creating thumbnails, use high-quality images that are relevant to your video's content. Incorporate bright colors, bold text, and eye-catching graphics to make your thumbnails stand out from the crowd. Consider using close-ups of faces, as people are naturally drawn to human expressions. Your title should be concise, attention-grabbing, and accurately reflect the content of your video. Use keywords that people are likely to search for and consider incorporating numbers or questions to pique viewers' curiosity. Experiment with different thumbnail and title variations to see what performs best. Analyze your analytics to see which thumbnails and titles are driving the most clicks and optimize accordingly. Remember, your thumbnail and title are your first impression. Make it count.
Building a strong community around your YouTube channel is essential for long-term success. When you have a loyal following, your viewers are more likely to watch your videos, engage with your content, and spread the word about your channel. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. Respond to their comments, answer their questions, and foster a sense of community. Show your appreciation for their support and make them feel like valued members of your channel. Consider hosting live streams or Q&A sessions to interact with your audience in real time. This allows for a more personal connection and gives your viewers a chance to ask questions and get to know you better. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This can help you reach a wider audience and cross-promote your channels. Consider guest starring in each other's videos or co-hosting live streams. Remember, building a community takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. A loyal following can provide invaluable support and help propel your channel to new heights.
Staying on top of current trends can give your YouTube channel a significant boost. When you create videos about topics that are currently popular, you're more likely to appear in search results and suggested videos. Keep an eye on trending topics in your niche and on YouTube as a whole. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Trending, and social media to see what people are talking about. Don't be afraid to put your unique spin on a trend. While it's important to create content that's relevant to what people are searching for, you also want to stand out from the crowd. Be mindful of the shelf life of trends. Some trends are fleeting, while others have more staying power. Try to create content that will be relevant and engaging even after the initial hype has died down. Remember, riding the trends can be a great way to boost your visibility and attract new viewers, but it's important to stay true to your brand and create content that you're passionate about.
Collaboration is key in the world of YouTube. When you collaborate with other creators, you get access to their audience, and they get access to yours. This can lead to a significant increase in views, subscribers, and overall growth. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche who have a similar audience size and engagement level. Propose collaboration ideas that would be mutually beneficial and engaging for both audiences. Consider creating different types of collaborative content, such as guest appearances, co-hosted videos, challenges, or joint live streams. Experiment with different formats to see what resonates best with your audience. When collaborating, ensure that both creators are promoting the collaboration on their respective channels and social media platforms. This will maximize the reach and impact of the collaboration. Collaboration can be a powerful tool for growth on YouTube. By joining forces with other creators, you can tap into new audiences, expand your reach, and take your channel to the next level.
YouTube provides creators with a wealth of data through YouTube Analytics. This data can be incredibly valuable for understanding your audience, tracking your progress, and optimizing your content strategy. Pay attention to key metrics such as watch time, audience retention, click-through rate, and engagement rates. These metrics can tell you what's working well and what needs improvement. Analyze your audience demographics to understand who is watching your videos. This information can help you tailor your content to better resonate with your target audience. Use A/B testing to experiment with different thumbnails, titles, video lengths, and content formats. This will help you identify what performs best and optimize your content accordingly. Data-driven decisions are crucial for success on YouTube. By regularly reviewing your analytics and making adjustments based on the data, you can continuously improve your content and grow your channel.
Consistency is crucial for success on YouTube. When you upload videos regularly, you give your audience a reason to subscribe and keep coming back for more. It also signals to the YouTube algorithm that you're an active creator, which can lead to increased visibility. Establish a realistic upload schedule that you can stick to. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or more frequently, the key is to be consistent. Plan your content in advance to avoid last-minute rushes. Create a content calendar and brainstorm video ideas ahead of time. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you always have something to upload. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content to keep your audience engaged. Try vlogs, tutorials, challenges, reviews, or any other format that aligns with your niche and interests. Remember, consistency is key for building a loyal following and achieving long-term success on YouTube.
Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting and rewarding journey. By following the strategies outlined in this essay, you'll be well on your way to cracking the YouTube code and achieving your goals. Remember to focus on creating high-quality content that you're passionate about. Engage with your audience, build a strong community, and stay consistent with your uploads. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your strategy as needed. The YouTube landscape is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and algorithm updates. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the journey. YouTube is a platform for creativity, expression, and connection. Embrace the opportunity to share your passion with the world and build a community around something you love. Your journey to YouTube stardom starts now.